Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Thought Portal. आज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स लेके आए हैं हमारा 5th एपिसोड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स आफ्टर स्कूल. तो चलिए सुनते हैं उनके थॉट्स अबाउट व्हाट दे फील अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Thought Portal, your very own podcast show. With us, we have very own sports personalities, sportingly calm Nikhil Singh, very excited Rahul Gaudapati, and very energetic Nitesh Singh. I welcome you all.
Thank you, Swapni.
Sports is something that defines your character. It teaches you how to build your life. It teaches you how to win and lose and feel it. So, with the same mindset, our own three members will share their views how sport have changed their life.
Yes, Swapnil, nice question, Swapnil. Sports is a very important in my life, from the entertainment point of view to the management point of view. As sports is for the entertainment and stress relief, and other side of it for the management point of view, I would say it gives you the strategies how to frame, how you work in a team. And my journey started in school when I was in 5th standard. My friend and I was just roaming there. Then a notice came about the cricket selection, and in that only discussion, me and my friend decided let's go and give a trial. If we get selected, we will play. And suddenly after that we got selected. And उसके बाद से हम लोग रुके नहीं. एवरी स्पोर्ट्स जो आते गए स्कूल में कॉलेजेस में धीरे धीरे जीते, बाद में उससे मोटिवेट हो गए और स्पोर्ट्स में पार्ट लिए और आज हम बहुत सारे ट्रॉफीज जीत रहे हैं, बहुत सर्टिफिकेट्स मिल रहे हैं, बहुत जगह पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं.
Okay. Sports. Since I childhood I playing sports, and since seniors are playing in the ground near to my home, and I understand the sports is important because of seniors are playing in crazy. People are going crazy in the tournament is going every day. I see in tournament. I seen and understand that time sports is an interest. I also see in the every front of people, and now I am life is building because of the. In life, everything needs team building. Is give the team building because I'm playing kabaddi, and is mainly important is communication. Eye contact is important compared to other games, and it is the build the survive how to in life come many failures, and sports gives how to survive in the accepting in failures in upcoming futures, and is ready to start new steps.
Talking about sports is the part of everyone's lifestyle. Everyone has played sports in their early ages. So when I was during my school's time, I had also started playing a season ball cricket, and I had also represented my college till district level. So but after school levels, during school levels, we got most of the opportunities also to represent our college schools. But when I go to the higher secondary, that was and I took a science stream. But there the restriction was, since you are a science student, you should not go much towards the sports sections. So that was the hurdle you say during in the sports career. So that was the part where I get separated from the sports thing and get into this activity thing. So this was the thing where which was the process from school till college.
Adding to Nitesh's point, I would like to say that in school we used to have 2 P lectures in a week. When we after 10th in degree, it was came to 1, and after when we are in MBA, mostly we don't focus on sports. Rather, they are focused only on education, subject wise, rather than physical activities and other things. I would like to express that they should focus on physical activities, sports, which also helps in motivating and giving the skills to the students.
After 10th, we seen everyone already that time everyone person that feel come in every parents, because after 10th everyone choosing the professional, commerce, science. That time parents only choose the education, not choose the sports anything. That time some parents are supportive, but some parents are not. That time they break the sports in the every life. And I seen my parents are supported that time. Man, other friends are not supported parents at that time. And now I am realizing the sports need, because of mental, in nowadays higher education going very stress compared to other, in unhealthy is coming and food changes and need to some physical, because of in future surviving everything, failure and mental ability and taking confidence, it comes and come only from the sports.
Yes, I agree with your point. Even parents plays very important role in our life. We are the reflection of our parents, right?
Yes.
So I want to hear from Nitesh and Nikhil. What does your parents played role in your life? How does it change your mindset to the sport, coming into the sport?
Talking about parents, our parents was like mainly focused on the education, like you want to become a doctor only or engineer. The older generation was only on, they don't like was, their main thinking was if they study they will success, otherwise they will not success. No one was giving that much attention to the sports. But I was like in the sports, so I told my parents that I wanted to go for a cricket practice. Somewhat they thought, they first said no, then afterwards they said okay, do go play for the college. Then I started playing, and then now also till now I am playing sports. No, parents is also supporting. They are also happy when I win the sports games at any level.
So adding to Nikhil's points, parents support. Till we are in schools, parents think that he's a kid, he might say anything. So it's not always to accept what he says. So that's the age where people means parents does not trust that much. Means मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, so they will not clearly say go and do. Means they have some doubt. So and we also don't have much knowledge about that certain areas. But at that time when you go to the college level or when college level or higher studies, and then you decide to go in some particular sports that वो बहुत late हो जाता है. So that time you don't have any other option rather than studying. Then at that situation you just have to go study, get the job, because after that there will be means the parents will be also dependent on you after some periods of time. So that's the situation where you means बहुत लेट हो जाते हैं to go in again to that particular sports sections.
Right, I completely agree with you.
In my life, my parents are played major role, because I played national because of from the father, because father give me opportunity to be in tournament is going on every village, some festivals is Deepavali, Dasara. That time father give the permission to play, and that time our father has already played wrestling some levels, and father give me like major concern from when injury happens, the game will stop suddenly. That's a major concern from parents.
Adding to Rahul's points, if you see the upcoming generations where the mentality of the people would be completely changed, they will think according to the interest of the children, means what domain the children is interested in. Because earlier the generations people only think that if you study you have scope, otherwise you don't have any scope. So as the generation keeps on changing, the thought process of the parents also will keep on changing. So I think after that it would be it would play a very important role in whatever the career you want to go in. So that will help you to join that particular this.
Also government giving opportunity to players, because of now it's heard about the Khelo India.
Yes.
These give under 18, 19, 21. These give opportunity, but parents allowed to play the kids, and in future they represent the India. It's good for parents proud from the
Right.
child.
Yes, you make your parents proud.
Adding to Rahul's point, and the government has also changed the education system also. Means they are whatever domain you are interested in, they are providing you an opportunity to go in that particular field to showcase your talent, whatever you are having. So government is also helping, or we say supportive you to make your make your domain in that particular sectors. So I think that would help the children to go and fulfill their dreams.
Before already I say in higher education going tough compared to other. And when education tough, in friends nowadays e-gaming started compared to physically. In physically game played compared to in sitting in home playing e-games compared to different. Indoor also there, outside outdoor games also. Indoor is mainly focusing, outdoor both are combined played to game. And compared to indoor nowadays increasing compared to, because of the coming mobiles are giving, kids are mainly focusing on the mobiling. Parents allowed to kids to play outside because of the in future before I already said, in mentality, in confidence, and how to survive in the society, this comes only from the physical sports.
Right.
Adding to Rahul's point, you talk about the indoor games and e-gamings. Because of e-gamings, there was a research in India which was conducted that out of 10, every 6 or 7% is unfit. Because they don't go out and play. The trends has completely changed, that they don't like to go out and play. They completely dependent on the e-gamings. So because of that, this unfit, most of the people are unfit in India. So they should there should be a both indoor, outdoor, or e-gaming, but it should be in the balance, not only e-gaming.
I would like to say that it should not only focus to the student only, it should be for everyone, every age group people, because the physical activities is for all. If everyone does the exercise, everyone will be healthy. As Nitesh said, most of the people are now unhealthy because of eating junk food and other thing, and not doing the exercise. I would like that it should be, everyone should do the exercise. It might be physical or mental, you should do the exercise which will help your body, and your body will be fit and healthy.
Yes, yes. Every point what you said, I agree with you all, because now the generation is changing from which we were Gen Z, now it is coming to Alpha Gen, which are morely dependent on the mobile phones, e-gaming, what you said. And how we can spread awareness of making them to come and play the physical activities, do the physical activities, so that they will come from the stigma of playing e-gaming and overcoming that this thing, and making themselves involved in physical activities. How you will give your point?
Here play two major players, because school and parents, they are both are combined due to some opportunity to kids, and giving encouraging from the outside game compared to our e-gaming. And nowadays, earlier when kid born, give the mobile and sitting game playing, its habit come to continuously. Give the chance to play outside with the soil, and it's come.
So concluding with this point, that this sports, it should be necessary. It's a part of human being's life. So it should be necessary that there should be a sports lecture after colleges also, because if there is a sports till 10th, the people show their interest in different types of these sectors of games. But once they go to the higher school, there is no opportunity, no lecture. So people also, they start losing their interest towards the games. So that's the reason there should be some platform, or there should be a lecture, so that students should there should be a compulsory that students should go out play. So it will help them to reduce their anxiety also, because when you go out and play, and when the sweats come out, they say that the anxiety comes out through the sweats. So there should be a lecture which will help them to showcase their talent, and also to reduce the anxiety, because at that age people take much tension also. So that will also help them to keep their body relaxed. So this was from my side.
Agree about the anxiety, what you said. I completely agree, because whenever I feel low, I prefer to go out, play something, or do some exercises, which brings down your anxiety level to certain extents and make you feel happy. I think we had very wonderful talk, very productive and healthy talk. With this, I would like to conclude, and thank you for coming and sharing your views. Stay tuned for the further future episodes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed this interesting topic. तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ ऐसे बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स के लिए. So here's the Thought Portal signing off for today.